insane.
Yeah, and I ended up back in Carroll anyway.
Yeah.
And the physics guy they brought in, they like fired right away.
Oh,
So
that's awesome.
yeah, just annoying.
Have you done anything to your car, like with the engine wise?
Engine, the only power mod I've got is headers and a tune. But I've got full suspension, big brake kit, wheels and tires.
Yeah.
These are my endurance tires, so not very sticky.
Do you like put them on when you go to the track, or do you just always have them on?
These are the practice tires. I leave them on as long as I'm not going to drive like too long before I go to the track.
Yeah.
But they're normal street tires, so you can just run them on the street. But if it's going to be like a month before I went back to the track, I'd switch. But I go to the track more often than that, so I'll just leave them on. But like I've got 2 days here next weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and I'll run the sticky tires because that's the time trials. That's a competition.
Yeah.
This is just for fun, so I don't need the good tires. These last longer and they're cheaper. They're good for practice. We would normally break here.
Are these blue people?
These are blue people.
You feel awesome when you pass them in your 4-cylinder?
Yeah.
Yep. I feel pretty awesome too.
I mean, the skill difference here is pretty big, so like,
Yeah.
you really shouldn't feel that good about it. But if I'm in the member session, when I pass people there, I'm like, aha!
Yeah. So you don't think you'd ever invest in like a higher horsepower car? You just stick with this? Because I mean, you said you already have all the fun you need in this, right?
Yeah. Yeah, there's faster cars, but there are ones that are more fun.
Exactly.
Plus, you can just drive faster.
Yeah.
See? Holy crap.
Yeah, you definitely got Scott beat with your driving. Fortunately for him. Poor Mustang, you're about to pass.
Well, it's not fair. There's all these turny bits.
Yep. And then they'll...
Yep. He's on the wrong side here. You're an awesome dog.
There's another BRZ.
Yeah, that's a first gen. We do have about 40 horsepower on a first gen.
Ah, okay. Do you only drive crazy on the track, or like do you also drive crazy on the roads?
No, I come to the track often enough. You can't drive like this on the road.
Oh yeah, obviously, but
They'd throw me in jail.
they would throw you in jail.
Thank you.
Yeah, this car can take a lot. Holy crap! You're also a good driver, but
Yeah, now we got got some space.
Yep. Now we gotta go catch up to that Subaru. And you said you got suspension lowered?
I got coilovers.
Yep.
Coilovers, camber plates, control arms, full suspension. So I can turn.
Yep. How long have you been doing this for?
I've been coming to the track since 2014. Did autocross from 2008. Lots of performance driving.
Where do you live? Like, how far is the drive to get to South Lincoln from here?
I live in Grapevine. It's just over
okay.
an hour.
No, yeah, okay. So Grapevine's right next to school.
Yeah.
You have any pets?
No.
No.
I come to the track too often. You go to the track every other weekend, you can't have pets.
Yeah.
Poor Mustang, the straight is not long enough.
Did you ever get this thing supercharged?
Nah.
No.
Reliability goes bad if you start doing something like that. A car I can throw around all the time, not have to worry about it.
Yep. Exactly.
There's the Mustang. My good tires, my best time is a 2:08.6.
You've been getting 214.
Yeah.
The bad tires too. Well, I'm sure also I had a little bit of weight, so.
Yeah, you're probably 2-second penalty.
Yep.
Tires are good 2 seconds slower. And it's hot out today, so you normally get your good times in the morning when it's cooler.
Oh, okay.
I was in the 12s this morning. Should have been 11s, but I couldn't find any traffic. Oh, I'm drifting.
Do you ever go to that drifting spot down there?
I've done it, yeah.
So do you like constantly like study physics, or like do you read up on like the recent things, or like?
Well, I mean, the concepts that you're using here are pretty straightforward.
But do you like do you have an interest in physics outside of just the classroom?
Yeah. Yeah, I like, I don't really read papers, but I'll watch documentaries and stuff.
Okay.
I'll read articles about new stuff. No, I'm not moving right next to track out. That's so close.
Yeah.
They're like 50 feet short of making it off the track.
Why would happen? Is his engine went out or flat tire?
I don't know what happened to it.
Oh yeah.
I just know they're not moving.
Next left, apex later.
Super lady goods.
taking all those nice cars to the track, like we were talking about earlier, you gotta be so expensive to replace them. It's not
Next
even worth
left,
it. I
apex
don't think.
later.
Yeah.
Unless you're extremely rich and like it's not.
Yeah, if you've got enough money, you don't care.
Yeah.
Buy what you want. If I drove a faster, more expensive car, I couldn't go to the track as often.
Yeah.
This thing is playful. It's like a happy little puppy.
Yeah, it's a puppy. Yeah, exactly. And we've caught up to that Supra. That's insane.
Next right, brake plus.
Supras are also 4 cylinders, right? But they're just having like a lot more horsepower.
It depends. The most common one's actually a 6-cylinder turbo, straight 6 turbo. Even the 4 cylinders.
Oh, maybe I'm thinking about a GR. I'm thinking about like an 86.
Next left.
Yeah.
Track out
The
further.
GR86 and this car are the same. They build them in the same assembly line.
Keep pushing. To 17.29.
No real difference between them. They change out the front bumper cover, and a couple of the suspension components are marginally different, but it's all stuff I've replaced anyway.
For the Toyota.
Yeah.
Next left, apex later.
You ever do like the 4-wheel stuff? Like you see the giant like dirt.
Oh, the off-road track?
Yeah.
No, I don't do that. My back's kind of messed up, and I think all that up and down would hurt me.
Oh yeah, for sure.
This is all like sideways stuff, so this is fine. Up and down, I don't like.
Yeah.
Next left, apex later. Above average. Next left, nice work.
You gotta make sure you don't try to drive like this in your turn.
Oh, 100%. Well, I mean, I was saying earlier, I feel so freaking scared of that Camaro because like if I like do anything to that car, I'm gonna get so much trouble. So,
That's a good motivator.
yeah. Plus, like, yeah, I do not have the experience for that. Wow, we're about to pass them for a second time.
Next left, apex
Insane.
earlier. Nice work. To 17.27. Next left, track out further. Nice work.
Alright, now we gotta get that guy.
The WRX.
Next left,
That one?
apex
Yep.
later.
It's the wrong color blue. It's not even World Rally blue. This is World Rally blue.
His tires are cool, kind of.
Above average.
He must have not seen you.
Next left,
should have given a point by then. Now, I technically should have snuck in behind him and waited patiently, but that would have slowed me down.
Exactly. He's taking away your lap time.
Well, the bigger problem is the car's not fast in a straight line.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, exactly.
It loses all our momentum. It takes a lot longer to get past it.
Keep pushing.
Do you hate automatics?
2 feet.
Yeah, they're not as good.
They're what?
They take away some of your control.
Yeah.
They don't feel as good. A little bit boring.
But definitely boring, but you still think a manual's better in general for a track?